Hello everybody, welcome to the second episode, and this time I actually realized which very big problems I did in the first one, because that time you actually didn't hear me that really well when the music was on. But I found a way you can fix that, and there's like fixing on this one, so my voice will always be the same, but this one will change the sound, so I'll take it down there. Hopefully you can hear me this time. There you go, that should be enough. So I gotta see. Wait, I healed my Pokemon last episode, didn't I? So for the moment, I'll soon announce this channel up in the other channel. And we actually are soon about hitting 10 subscribers. Hey, you came from Pallet Town? You know Professor Oak, right? He's already came here. Can you get it to stick to him? Yeah, let's get it. So right now, I hope you can hear me, because I'm too busy editing for the main channel right now. I just have some problems because I revealed my face, and that ain't good. So I had to fix that, but I had problems with, how is it, scissoring that off? I don't know. I'm not that good in English. We're actually from Norway. I've told you a few times. But just as you know, we're from Norway, the western part. I also told that one of the third guy, who was too busy. In the episode, I say he was on the other side of the world, but he was actually on the other side of the country. I don't even think that. I think it was like a bit north or south or a bit east. Oh, Scorpio, how's my old Pokemon? Well, it seems to be growing more attached to you. You must be talented as a Pokemon trainer. What's that? You have something for me? I guess we have. I had an order, thank you. Gramps! I almost forgot. What did you call me for? Oh right, I have a request for you two. On the desk there is my invention. The Pokédex. It automatically records the data on the Pokemon you've seen or caught. It's a high-tech encyclopedia. Scorpio and someone, take these with you. You never give it to someone. We get 5 Pokeballs. The wild Pokemon game appears is a fair game. Just throw a Pokeball at it and try to catch it. This won't always work, however. A very healthy Pokemon can escape. You have to be lucky. To make a complete guide on all the Pokemon in the world. That was my dream. But I'm too old. I can't get the job done. So I want you to fulfill the dream for me. Get moving, you two! So it's a great undertaking in Pokemon history. Alright, Gramps, leave it all to me. Scorpio, I have to say, but it don't be necessary for this. I know, I'll borrow a tow map from my sis. I'll tell her not to lend you one, Scorpio. Ha ha ha, don't bother coming around my place after this. What an asshole. Can't run. Like, you won't get the running shoes before Pure City, and that is bullshit. Grab basket to run an errand? Jesus, this is an errand. This will help you. No Pokemon battles. I don't know if this is rather lucky or... Okay, good. I need to level up my Charmander anyway. As well as I gotta catch up Pidgey. I look for a level 5 Pidgey. This dude's catch you once. You wanna hang out? This might take some time, so I'll skip through the battles after this until I get level 5 Pidgey. Just gonna get done with this one first. Okay, I'll see you when I find one. I just realized that was actually taking much more time than I needed, or no, that I wanted, because this video can't be that really big yet. So instead, I'll just take a pause it, and I'll come back when I find one. Okay, I finally found it. And let me go to a as a surprise. But we're almost level 10. So long time. You gotta be kidding me! Really? Oh, that was just bullshit. But you got level 10 though. Really? God damn it. Too much of a beautiful picture. I didn't even find a Pidgey. I'll come back again. That was so bullshit. Really. Guys. I found another one. Hopefully I'm level 11. Let's use Scratch. Okay, that's enough. I don't want to hurt it anymore. No! There we go. I forgot to turn down that. Oh, we got it. Yes. Nice to have a Pidgeot, you know. I'm not giving nicknames in this series. So I'm gonna go all the way down here to heal my Pokemon, and then we're gonna try to get through the 4, and then in the next episode we will probably come right after. They were going through a forest. The forest, I mean. Where's the Pokemon in the air? I want you look nice. You look really nice, actually. We have to see you again. I don't want to. We won't see you again before we're in gym, probably. So guys, I'll see you in the next episode.